Hey guys, and welcome back to No Coffee Needed. I'm Chad, right here in the heart of Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. Have we got something special for you today? Guys, today we're cooking what is known as a rice bowl, but instead of in a bowl, we're putting them on corn Tostadas. I'm telling you, they're gonna be amazing. We're doing it on the Blackstone Griddle. Don't go anywhere, guys. If you hadn't already and you're new here, we'd love for you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button, ring that little bell, and give us a big thumbs up. Make some comments down below. Welcome back to No Coffee Needed, right here in the heart of Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. All right, guys, so we've got our corn Tostadas right here. We've got a little over a pound of ground beef. We've got our peppers and onions diced up right here in that bowl. We've got some of that three-peat seasoning that we really like. It's that SPG, but whatever you like on your ground beef, that's what you'll want to use. We got some sour cream, and then we've got some Sriracha hot sauce by Texas Pete. We're gonna cook that in with our ground beef. We've got our griddle set over here on medium-low. This side, this right burner is on low. That's to keep our rice simmering so that it continues to cook right. That is brown rice. So you know that it takes a little while to cook it. I brought it to a boil, then you know what to do. Just follow the signs on the package and you can't go wrong, okay? That's just the way you cook rice. But anyway, it's back there on the back right. So we are gonna go ahead and get this griddle nice and warm. And as soon as it's ready, we'll throw the ground beef on there. All right, guys, got a little white smoke coming off the griddle. That means he's ready for the meat. Guys, we're gonna take this ground beef, get it thrown on this griddle. Get it nice and brown. All right, guys, we'll go ahead and take our peppers and onions, take a little bit of this three-peat seasoning. Dump those peppers and onions right there. Throw a little bit of that three-peat seasoning on there. Get those peppers and onions grilled up just right. Let the meat finish browning. All right, guys, that meat's just about done. Just about ready. Take a little bit of that Sriracha hot sauce by Texas Pete. Doesn't take much, you can always add a little bit later. We don't like our stuff real spicy. A little bit of three-peat seasoning right there on those peppers and onions. Got a little sour cream we're gonna put on these in just a minute. We're gonna put a little bit of oil down in a couple of minutes, throw these on there just to heat these Tostadas up. Tostadas, however you want to pronounce it, it makes no difference to me. But anyway, that's what we're gonna do. Guys, we're waiting on that meat and those vegetables to get ready. You've seen me wear this shirt before. You've seen me wear the hat, the IO. It stands for Iron Man Outdoors. Guys, if you like to hunt, if you like to fish, I'm telling you, you need to go look up my buddies at Iron Man Outdoors. Check them out. They got hunts scheduled all the way through February of 2023. And when I looked a couple of days ago, a lot of those have already filled up, man. And so Iron Man Outdoors is about men reaching other men for Christ. And so I'm telling you, you ought to check them out if you got a good buddy of yours that you've been trying to get to go to church or witness to a little bit, and y'all enjoy hunting together. Maybe you need to take him on a trip with Iron Man Outdoors. I'm telling you, it's something you will never, ever regret doing. But anyway, check them out, ironmanoutdoors.com. Great organization, nonprofit. So anyway, let's keep cooking. Don't go anywhere. Let's be ready in just a minute. Now you're cooking. No coffee needed style. All right, guys, that meat's done. The peppers and onions are done. The rice is done. What we want to do is take some of this Sriracha sauce and add a little bit to our rice. Add a a little bit of our 3-peat seasoning to our rice. Give it all a quick stir. Just like that. We're going to take a little oil. Take some oil. Put on there. Take a couple of these corn Tostadas. Lay them right there, get those nice and warm. Guys, what I forgot to mention a while ago is we do have some cheddar cheese that's gonna go on top of this. And so while we're waiting on those Tostadas to get warmed up, we're gonna combine our peppers, onions, and our beef. We're not gonna use all of this rice, we're only gonna use part of it because we made a good bit. We're gonna take half this rice, add it to that mixture. Sprinkle a little more Sriracha. Flip those over. All right, guys, those Tostadas are warm. The beef, peppers and onions, and our rice are all mixed together. So what we want to do right now, take our sour cream, just gonna spread it around, just like so. Take a little bit of our mixture, put on top, take a little mixture. Then we're gonna take a little cheese, sprinkle on top. Take a pan, cover it up. Give that cheese time to melt. Won't take just a couple of minutes, guys. Don't go anywhere. We're getting ready to give this a taste test. All right, guys, been just a couple of minutes. Let's look at them and see what they're looking like. Perfect. Look at that. Amazing. Just right. Let's get these put on here. Guys, check those out. Those are going to be amazing. Guys, we just took these off the griddle. They are nice and hot. Look, they just look, don't they look amazing? Let's give this a try. Oh, man. That is super great. If you wanted to, you could sprinkle a little bit more Sriracha across the top of that. Give it a little extra kick, a little more flavor, but I'm telling you, that right there is amazing. We can't go today without giving Bodog, come here buddy, a taste test. He loves it, you will too. Guys, if you hadn't already and you're new here, we'd love for you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you're been here before and you've already subscribed, guys, thank you so much. You mean the absolute world to us. But anyway, if you would just ring that little bell so you don't miss out on anything we got coming to you from right here at No Coffee Needed. Give us a big thumbs up. Make some comments down below. Guys, if there's something you want us to cook, please let us know. We really, really appreciate each and every one of you. We love every one of you, but most importantly, we want you to know that God loves you. Until next time, now you're cooking No Coffee Needed style.